Hi, this is David Owen Hastings. Welcome back into my studio. I want to tell you about a really fun new workshop that I've come up with. It's called the UFO Flying Discs Quilt. And this is going to be a great skill building kind of workshop for you. Also, it's going to take care of one of your UFOs that's hanging out languishing in a tub somewhere. What I'm going to do is guide you through the process of cutting up a UFO quilt top, something maybe you haven't finished, maybe it's orphan blocks from a previous workshop, and we are going to quilt them in small sections. In this workshop, we're going to get a chance to play with some of those pattern stitches that maybe you never touch on your sewing machine. We're going to use them as quilting stitches, and it'll be a great way to easily stitch a bunch of small samples together. We will then cut them out into circles, finish them off with one of two ways that I will show you, and then we're going to arrange them into a beautiful wall quilt and connect those circles together into a final piece. It's going to be really fun. Even if you don't have a UFO, maybe you've got some orphan blocks or even just some fabric that you've been wanting to play with, that will work too. I will also show you as part of this workshop how to make a larger piece like this that is foldable. And so we'll have one big disc in the background, and then we will attach some other small quilted discs to the foreground. So this is a really fun way to make a portable wall quilt piece. And I think you'll have a lot of fun with me. The UFO Flying Discs Quilt Workshop is a really fun skill building and creativity building workshop that I hope you will enjoy. Check out the comments below this video. There might be a couple of links to places where you can take this workshop with me in person, and also get more details on my website. There's a full description of the workshop and also my online event calendar where you might be able to find additional opportunities to take this with me. So I hope to sew with you soon.